Once upon a time, in a bustling city, there lived a street dog named Rocky. Rocky was a scrappy little dog who had spent his entire life living on the streets. He had no owner, no home, and no family to call his own. Despite his difficult life, Rocky remained determined to survive. One day, as Rocky was wandering through the streets looking for food, he stumbled upon a group of children playing in the park. The children saw Rocky and immediately ran over to him, petting and playing with him. Rocky had never received so much love and attention in his life. He wagged his tail and hugged the children's faces, feeling a sense of joy and happiness he had never experienced before. From that day on, Rocky began to visit the park regularly. The children would play with him, and some of the kind-hearted people who lived nearby would offer him food and water. Rocky started to feel like he belonged somewhere, and he was grateful for the new friends he had made. But life on the streets was never easy. One day, Rocky was hit by a car and left injured. He lay on the side of the road, under the view, and the people who had always been so kind to him remembered. Rocky thought that this would be the end of the road for him. But then, something miraculous happened. One of the children from the park had been passing by and saw Rocky lying there. The child immediately ran back to the park and told others what had happened. Together, they all rushed to the scene to help Rocky. The children called for an ambulance, and Rocky was taken to the vet. He had several broken bones, but with the love and care of his new friends, he managed to pull through. From that day on, Rocky had a new family, a family of children who loved him unconditionally and who were always